With Utah Home Sweet Home here for another outdoor gear review. So today what we're going to do is we are going to review this folding wagon. It claims that it can hold up to 300 pounds. You can see right there. So you can put a lot of gear into this. What looks obviously really cool about this wagon at first glance is the fact that you've got some pockets for water, which is always great, beverages when you're outdoors. I do like the fact that it has this net to keep your gear down so things don't, as you're rolling, maybe over a bumpy terrain, kind of roll out. It's collapsible, which is also really cool. And if it holds up to 300 pounds, I can even pull my kids in this because they're always asking me to carry them. So as you can see on this side of the box, they've got sporting equipment, but then if you switch it around on this side of the box, they have beach equipment. So I guess depending what your outdoor preference is, or I guess where you are in the world, you may be using this more to go to the beach, or maybe using it more for sports, or maybe camping, for example. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and open this box up, and we will get this chair or wagon out. Okay, so as you can see, it actually is pretty flat, which is great for storage. So let's go ahead and get it unwrapped. All right, and I'm going to assume, oh, there we go, it's got the handle. I'm going to assume it just kind of pulls apart, so let's see here. All right, so one thing to note here first, as you can see, it's got a handle right here. So if you want to carry it while it's collapsed, basically wherever you're going to store it, this is a great handle. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Velcro off. And then it's got a clip right here to keep it, I guess, from opening up while it's in storage. Wow, that opened up super easy. Once the clip came out, it just opened right up. And so, let's take a look. You got the handle right here, and I'm not sure how this handle, oh, there we go. It's got a little clip right here. You can see as soon as I pull this clip over, handle comes down. So, depending on how tall you are or how high you want the clip, or the handle, you can adjust this clip. And then, here are the pockets that it shows us in the picture, right there. 2 pockets right up front for beverages. And, oh, it's got a back pocket as well. Let's see, oh, here's the pocket that contains the mesh that's going to cover the gear so that it doesn't come out. But let me just turn this around so you can kind of see this back pocket. More great pocket storage. Wanted to put maybe, I don't know, snacks in this pocket, beverages in the front pocket, right here, got beverages, and then of course, give you an idea of how deep this is, all your gear, camping gear, sports gear, whatever gear, picnic gear, beach gear, whatever gear you want, you can put inside. And I really do like these wheels. So they're hard plastic. They do not need to be pumped up, which is great. I love wheels on strollers. I've seen some strollers that do not require being pumped up, and then I've seen some wheels on strollers that do require it. And every time they're flat, you got to pump those wheels up. You'll never have to pump these wheels up, which is great. They're also very thick, so they're not going to get stuck in dirt when you're pulling through the beach, sand, grass, mountain, kind of dirt trails. Not that you go hiking with this, but you know, if you're going to a picnic area or a camping area from your car, these wheels are great. I like how they spin around, so very easily adjustable. Yeah, I think that this, if you've got a lot of stuff that you like to take with you, chairs, tent, food, gear, whatever, and you don't want to be carrying it all, this is a great remedy for that dilemma. And again, I love that it's easily collapsible, so it's great to store. You can definitely, I mean, you don't have to store this massive wagon. Find a place in your garage for this massive wagon. The fact that it collapses quite small is very, very nice. So, I mean, I haven't used it yet, but I am a fan already. I like everything about it. And the fact that it holds 300 pounds again, I mean, and the bottom is pretty sturdy, I'm just kind of touching the bottom. If I did put my kids in here, pull them, because they always want me to carry them, they fit right in here. My kids are only 4 and 6, so if you have teenagers, maybe not. But 300 pounds is a lot of weight. So I definitely recommend this wagon if you are somebody who has a lot of stuff. Maybe you have a lot of children, maybe you have a lot of gear. Because you have a lot of children, so you can put all your children's gear into this wagon and very easily take it conveniently wherever you need to go. So, on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you have any questions or comments in regards to any buying or selling of real estate, please feel free to give me a call. It's Yoshi Shiraki with Utah Home Sweet Home once again, and I, again, hope you enjoyed this review.